Shreves Engine Rebuilders is the Midwest's largest supplier of rebuilt engines. Family owned and operated since 1958. We've installed rebuilt engines for over 70,000 satisfied customers. In addition to our knowledgeable staff, we have a rigorous checklist each vehicle must pass before it's released, assuring a quality job every time. We offer full engine and transmission installations, as well as custom machine work. Each year, hundreds of vehicle owners, including individuals, business fleets, and government agencies, make the decision to install a Shreves replacement engine. Stop by 3815 North 21st Street in St. Louis. Call 314-421-5585 or visit shrevesengines.com.